What's good, man? How are you? Good morning. Crazy, right? Can't believe that, right? I said I came, I saw that from up there, man.
Yeah.
How's it going?
Wow, man.
How's it going? Saw that from up there. I said I went home, dropped the wife off.
Yeah.
Went home, came back, got the camera. I was like, I gotta get this.
Definitely like a war zone, man.
Yeah, man. All over. All over.
Yeah.
All over, man. Shit, this is crazy. All over, man. All over. I thought I recognized that guy up there.
Richie?
Yeah. What school y'all normally work?
Well, I'm at Mark Twain. He's at he's at Gordon.
At Gordon.
Lincoln.
At Lincoln. Okay, because I was like, yeah, I said he looked familiar, and then I saw you. I said, oh yeah, I definitely remember your face.
Look at the bird. Fresh. Bang.
Oh, that's crazy. That's a bird right there.
Bird. Bang.
That's a bird right there. Oh, that's crazy. Look at this.
Ooh.
Look at this. I ain't never seen this before. Look at this. Y'all think it's sweet out here.
Wow.
Y'all think it's sweet. Look at Mother Nature. Wow, look at the whole hair. Look at Mother Nature.
And this shit could happen
Look
again.
at the power.
What, Saturday?
Yeah, look at that. Look at them.
Wow.
They don't know, man.
Whoa.
They don't stand right there just to give them an idea of how big. This gonna be on YouTube, man. Just to give them an idea. Yeah,
Wow.
just to give them an idea of how big this thing is, man.
Wow.
I mean, they gonna see it, but damn.
Mm-hmm.
This is crazy. Look at this baby. God damn, look at the ground. You would have been sitting under there on a decent day. You would have been sitting right here or something.
Wow.